Well, it's Friday, July 10th. It's 11:34 in the morning. We're out here, and well, I'm not gonna really say, but anyway, so gaskets went out. So this is a Watertronics door kit. So it's got EBVs, electronic butterfly valves, in place of the Tolic butterflies or disc valves, and then so we've lost the gasket on this check valve. So remember, when the pump starts, not necessarily against, it's like not only against, 100% closed, but it's 90%. So if you don't start the pump across, so the pump starts across the line, it's not just all that thrust going into the system, so it throttles it, right? But that means when the pump turns off or turns on, this shuts. Then what happens? Well, you're not quite deadheading the pump, but you're sending a bunch of pressure off the side, and so we've basically blown the gaskets out, we think. So I've got to get the porta power in here, because we got to. So these are Newmans. These are 75. Well, doing some forensics here, and I don't see any areas where these gaskets went. I think that was like that. This one was obviously here because it's got two dimples. But I can't find anything that says that these got, they're used gaskets, right? So maybe compression, and then the bolts were tight. Who knows? But there's so many different things that could have gone on here. Check valve looks like it's in really good shape. Look how nice and clean that is. Yeah, you got some scale, but of course this system pretty much it's fed with city water, so it's got the Cush life. So I'm gonna take a wire wheel. I'm gonna dust all this up. Same thing here. Make sure you get a nice, true, flat sealing surface. Got the new gaskets. They're the same. They're not rubber, put it that way. But nice shape. Well, you didn't get to see any video of me putting these two check valves in gaskets, so pump 1, pump 2, and putting them in. But I will tell you that pump 2 in the back, which we did just as a, we're here, and where, the apple doesn't fall far from the tree. Yeah, I'm not sure what really happened, but the only thing that was dumb was I had to take the Vitalik clamp off this, loosen this one, get this out, and I don't have any duck butter with me to lube that, so just had to be, extra careful. And then I couldn't draw the pump back together with the bolt, so I had to porta power back over, and over here that was a little bit more of a problem. But the good news is, because of what Flowtronics does, is these 1.5-inch bolts are not tapped into the pump deck. They have nuts underneath.